When it comes to okra soup, especially the fresh okra, my children doesn't joke with it. In our household, we eat this like crazy. Okra soup is one of our favorite soup in our household, guys. Let me show you guys how I make this delicious okra soup that you can enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Any swallow of your choice, this soup can go with it. Let me show you guys how I prepare it. It's very easy and simple to make, and you will love it. All right, guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. I appreciate every one of you. Please click on that like button and also that share button. In a clean pot, I added my goat meat, my chicken, and my smoked turkey. Those are the meats I will be using for this recipe. You can use any meat of your choice. Then I go ahead and added in some blended habanero pepper and some diced onions. Then I add in my no seasoning and salt. Okay, mind you, I did add a lot of salt because that smoked turkey has salt on it. Okay, then I had water. Then I'll set a little bit. Then I'll cover it and I like to cook for about 15 minutes, guys. This soup is one of the quickest soup to cook. Once your meats are ready, you are good to go. It's very easy and quick to cook. All right, guys, this is 15 minutes later. Our meat is looking good. It's looking yummy. Have you thumbs up the video? Have you shared the video? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Share it to your friends and family. Then I'll add my stockfish fillet to it. Okay, that's stockfish. I added a little bit. Then I'll give it a little stir. Then I'll cover it. I like to cook for about 5 minutes, guys. For 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes later. At this point, the aroma is already giving, guys. The aroma is already giving. Then I went ahead and added my shrimps. Okay. Then I added in my blended pepper mix. That pepper is bell pepper, onions, ginger, crayfish, habanero pepper, no, dry pepper. Okay, that's what I have in that pepper mix. I blended everything together. Then I'm just adding it to it right now. I give it a quick mix it properly. Thank you all for watching. If you are new here, you haven't subscribed or you haven't liked and follow my page, Abba, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and that follow button so that you will be notified anytime I post a new recipe, guys. Then I give it a quick stir. Then I add in my palm oil. Okay, what is okra without no palm oil? Adding my palm oil. You can also cook okra with without oil, guys. Especially if you want to cook okra pepper soup for this cold weather, you can skip the oil and just cook it like that and add your pepper soup spice. Okay, this is about 2 minutes later after adding the palm oil. Then I'll give it a quick mix. At this point, guys, the aroma is giving. It's smelling deliciousness. It's smelling yummy-licious, guys. Then I'll go ahead and add in my fresh okra. This is fresh okra, guys. And there's one thing about fresh okra. When you use it to cook your soup, oh my goodness, the taste is totally different than the frozen okra. Okay, I've noticed the difference. Fresh okra and frozen okra. Fresh okra is the best, guys. And make sure when you cook the okra, don't allow the okra to be too done. I like when I'm eating my okra, I will be feeling the crushiness in it. After stirring it up together, I went ahead and added a little bit of no seasoning and a little bit of salt. Okay, and I mix it together, mix it properly. Then I go ahead and add in my smoked mackerel. That's a homemade smoked mackerel. I debone the mackerel and I give it a quick roast. Then I just added it to it. Okay, so that mackerel will give it a quick a delicious flavor. You can even use tilapia fish, any fish of your choice. Then I use the cover the pot to cover it halfway. I didn't cover it through. I like to cook. Look at it, guys. Look at my okra. The okra is looking good. It's looking amazing. Give it a stir, guys. Look at it, and it's very dry. At this point, our soup is almost ready. Just I like to cook for about a minute or so. Uh, Leave it for it to cook for a minute or so. Then look at it, guys. Look at our okra. Look at the okra. The okra is giving. The okra is giving. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you watched to this point, you are amazing. You are amazing. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. And go ahead and make your fufu, any fufu of your choice. For this recipe, I use potato flakes. That's what we use to eat this delicious soup. It was so good. It was so yummy. Everybody loved this soup. Look at the finished look. That's my oatmeal, my potato flakes swallow. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share also. Bye bye. See you soon.